Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue that's been bugging a lot of Roblox players. Error code 503. If you've ever tried logging into Roblox only to be hit with this frustrating message, don't worry. I've got you covered with simple, step-by-step fixes that could get you back in the game in no time. This is especially relevant for 2025, as Roblox keeps updating its servers and systems. First off, let's quickly understand what error code 503 means. It's basically a service unavailable error, which often happens due to server problems on Roblox's end or issues with your own connection. The good news is, most of the time, you can fix it yourself without needing tech support. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and fast enough. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. A spotty internet is a major culprit for this error. Step 2. Restart Roblox and your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot works wonders. Close the Roblox app completely, then reopen it after a minute. If you're on a PC, also try restarting your computer or console. Next, clear your Roblox cache. On PC, go to the Roblox folder in your app data and delete the temporary files. For mobile users, check your app settings to clear cache. This helps remove any corrupted data that's causing the glitch. If that doesn't work, update Roblox to the latest version. Head to the official Roblox website or your app store and download any available updates. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Another tip: check the Roblox server status. Visit sites like DownDetector or the official Roblox Twitter for announcements. If servers are down, you'll just have to wait it out. Lastly, if nothing else helps, try using a different network or a VPN. Sometimes, regional restrictions or ISP blocks can trigger this error. And if all fails, reach out to Roblox support with details about your issue. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to banish error code 503 for good. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Let's keep gaming smoothly. See you in the next one.